In this video, I'll show you how you can get a hacked Roblox account back. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to Google and search for Roblox support. So just come in here, and once you've typed in Roblox support, you want to click on the first one and it will take you to this page. Now from in here you're gonna fill in your details such as your email address. This is important. In this video, I'll show you how you can get your hacked Roblox account back. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to Google and search for Roblox support. Now from in here, you're going to click on the first one and you will come to this page. From in here, you're going to type in your username or first name if you want, but the most important one is you type in your email address. This is where they're going to contact you, so make sure it's the correct one. Now down here at issue details, what you want to do is choose the system. I'm on PC. And from in here, you're going to find the account hacked or can't log in. Then another one will open up and you're going to choose account hacked. Now from in here, you're going to give a little description of your issue. Like you could say you tried logging in with your password and it doesn't work. And you've seen someone else logged into your account on your email. Press continue and then they will send you some instructions on your email account. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's really simple. All you need to do is contact the Roblox support and they will send you some verification to make sure it's actually you. Now if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.